What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. What's up, guys? It's your girl Emani, and I'm back with another banger for you guys.
You got my heart working overtime. You got my mind going crazy.
Guys, not really. It's just another hair video. Change of scenery. I am actually in my dining room, I guess. Yeah, my hair is like this because I'm about to put in Marley twists. I had these in before. I kind of like randomly did them on myself around Christmas time, and I didn't record it, so you guys requested that I record it. Last time I did it on stretch dry hair, my hair was actually straight and I just put them in my head. I just co-washed my hair, so I'm gonna do it on semi-damp hair. So the co-wash I used was the Lotta Body co-wash, and now I'm just going in with their leave-in.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
I'm using the Long and Luxe Curl Enhancing Smoothie by As I Am Naturally. Just a little bit. I'm going in with my Luster's Pink Smooth and Hold Edge Gel.
Yeah.
Out of my hair. I don't do it the traditional way. I just kind of add it like this. And then I start a braid. This method works best for me because the other way I can't get it. And then what I do is I'll split my hair. Do you want me ready? I'll split my hair in half. Add some more edge control. And
Have you ever felt?
twist this hair, my hair, and what I do is I grab the hair like this, I open it, I then pull my hair through like this, and then I place my finger here, I then twist these like this, and then I go in and start just making my hair the middle piece for the braid. You see? Just like that. And then once I get here, I split the hair in half, like so. And take my edge control and I twist and add as I'm going down. hair around, I want to say 12-ish. This is what we have so far. I did get 2 more packs of hair in this color. The color is 30, and then I just mixed it with the black hair that I already had. And then some of them just have the color 30 hair. Yeah, I just wanted to come back on here. I look a mess, like, y'all, it's been a long day. I've literally been doing my hair all day. Didn't do anything else but hair. Guys, we are at the top of my head, and this is what I got so far. And I'm just gonna show you guys what time it is. Give me 1 second, y'all. It is 2:27. It's 2:30 in the morning, and I'm just getting to the top of my head. I started at 12 p.m. I took a couple breaks, but not that many breaks. This took all day. I used all of my Luster Pink Smooth and Hold Edge Gel, and y'all know that is my staple edge control. All of it on my entire head, along with another edge gel from Kaleidoscope. I use both containers. So to blend my hair and give my hair that hold, I'm just using my Manuka Honey and Mafora Oil Hydrate and Sun Max Hold Gel by Shea Moisture. And I don't really like this gel because it's super sticky, but it does give you that extra hold. So I'm going to use it because I use all of my gel, all of my edge control, and of course it's 2:30 in the morning, so I'm not going anywhere to get anything.
Have you
of doing my hair with the help of my mother, who ended up falling asleep on me, and I had to do it by myself pretty much. But here's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I know I didn't get much of me doing my hair on here just because it would have took a very long time. But this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button down below to get notified every time your girl posts, and I will catch y'all next video. So, bye.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?